Can you believe that cancer, a disease once a terrifying nightmare, synonymous with a death sentence, now stands at the threshold of a new era, where the hope for life expands more than ever before? 2025 is not just a timestamp, it's a declaration. Cancer is no longer a death sentence. Join us as we unveil these astonishing pages of medical history. Throughout the annals of medical history, the battle against cancer has always been a journey fraught with challenges, suffering, and faint glimmers of hope. From Hippocrates' first descriptions of tumors, through crude surgical methods, to the arduous era of radiation and chemotherapy, humanity has relentlessly sought light at the end of the tunnel. For centuries, cancer was often perceived as a verdict, a cruel twist of fate. But then, like a brilliant dawn after a long night, the early 21st century ushered in a new era, and by 2025, we can confidently assert cancer is no longer a death sentence. The story begins with the powerful rise of immunotherapy and targeted therapy, methods that not only attack tumors, but also train the body's own immune system to fight. Imagine, instead of chemotherapy ravaging healthy cells, doctors can now use precision bullets programmed to selectively destroy cancer cells. In 2025, the name Lifileucel, Amtagvi, has become a symbol of hope. FDA approved, it is the first tumor-infiltrating T-cell, TIL therapy for patients with advanced melanoma. Essentially, cancer-fighting immune cells from the patient's own tumor are extracted, expanded in the lab, and returned to the body. A revolutionary step, transforming the patient's own body into the most formidable warrior. This once again confirms that cancer is no longer a death sentence if we know how to harness internal strength. Not stopping there, Penpulimab, a new PD-1 antibody, received FDA and Chinese approval in 2025. In combination with chemotherapy, Penpulimab has demonstrated superior efficacy in treating nasopharyngeal carcinoma, especially in cases resistant to previous regimens. Concurrently, telisotuzumab vedotin, Emrelis, an antibody-drug conjugate, ADC, was approved in the US in May 2025 for non-small cell lung cancer. This ADC acts like a mobile fortress with a chemotherapy payload precisely targeting c-Met, a common receptor on cancer cells, to effectively destroy them while minimizing side effects on healthy cells. These advancements are clear evidence that cancer is no longer a death sentence when we possess increasingly sophisticated and precise weaponry. But the story of change doesn't end here. British scientists are developing an ambitious therapy called IMAN, utilizing synthetic neutrophils from superdonors, individuals with exceptional immune capabilities. This therapy is expected to address the challenge for patients resistant to modern immune treatments, with initial trials projected for 2027. It opens a new door, a vision that even seemingly hopeless cases can find a way out. And then, entering the main stage, a superhero of the technology age, artificial intelligence, AI. If immunotherapies and targeted therapies are the ultimate weapons, then AI is the strategic brain, helping us wield those weapons most intelligently and effectively. The ASCO 2025 conference highlighted the groundbreaking role of AI in precise diagnosis and treatment. Imagine, AI-powered liquid biopsies can detect early traces of cancer from a simple blood sample. AI personalizes CAR T-cell therapies for solid tumors like glioblastoma and gastroesophageal tumors. And AI can even identify which prostate cancer patients will best respond to abiraterone. These developments bring the prospect of cancer is no longer a death sentence closer than ever. AI models like Harvard Medical School's chief can analyze histopathology images with up to 96% accuracy in diagnosis and identifying crucial treatment markers, powerfully supporting clinical decisions. The ECG-MPL model even achieves absolute sensitivity, 99% for endometrial cancer, and over 97% for colon, breast, and oral cancers. This level of precision far surpasses human capabilities, enabling earlier detection and timely treatment. In the UK, the NHS is deploying DERM technology, allowing instant smartphone diagnosis of skin cancer with near-perfect accuracy, significantly reducing the burden on the healthcare system. Tempus and Imaging are collaborating to develop an AI toolset that analyzes biopsy images to identify biomarkers in non-small cell lung cancer, NASCLC, enhancing the precision of personalized treatment. A report from AACR also indicates that AI machine learning, combined with spatial transcriptomics, is helping to predict immune therapy response earlier, opening avenues for even more personalized treatment. From T-cell therapies, antibody drug conjugates, KRAS targeted vaccines, to AI-guided treatment. 2025 marks the beginning of a new era. An era where cancer is no longer a death sentence, but a chronic disease that can be controlled, effectively treated, or even prevented from recurring. The journey is still long, but the light of hope shines brighter than ever. Follow us to stay updated on the latest and most profound breakthroughs in oncology, where technology meets medical excellence to bring faith, a chance at life, and a brighter future to patients.